Next, in Scratch, we are going to design two dancing sprites. So this is our default sprite. I'm deleting it. And for that, first of all, I'm choosing background. So here I'm choosing this theater as a background image. Then from sprites, here I'm choosing this ballerina. Here in costume, we can see that it is provided with 4 costume A, B, C and D. Now what we want that whenever we press this green flag, it should switch from one costume to another. So for that, we'll go to this events, and here in events, we'll go to when this flag is clicked. Now, whenever there's a dancing effect, there's change in coordinates of X and Y axis. So for that, here we have to change its coordinates. Go to X. Here we can change its value. Here I'm putting it -44, and for Y axis, here I'm putting -33. So now we have placed our ballerina here. Whenever we will click here, we can see that it has come to its original position of x-axis. Here it is -44, and for y-axis we have given 33. So it has taken its position. Now we want that this ballerina should perform all these actions 4 times. So for that we'll go to control, and in control we'll go to repeat. Here it is written repeat 10. That means if we put it as it is, then it is going to perform all the steps which are given here in costume 10 times. If you want to reduce it to 4, then we can put it 4 here. Now we'll go to looks, and in looks we are provided with this switch costume to, and here it is provided when here it is a drop down. When you click on this drop down, we can see that all the costumes are given. So here I'm putting it A. Here we have 4 costumes. So one by one I'm putting all the other costumes. Costume B, costume C, and costume D. And in between all these costumes, I'm going to put a wait of 1 second. So for that, we'll go to control, and here we are putting a wait of 1 second. Means that in between all these dance steps, it is going to stop for a second. Now whenever we'll press this green flag, we can see that it is. Now one more thing I want to do here is that I want to put one more ballerina here. For that, I'm duplicating this sprite. So this is our another ballerina, and for this we want to do coding. So for that, in events, I will go to again when the green flag is clicked. Then again we'll go to motion, and we have to change its x and y coordinates. So here I'm saying that it should be -54, and for y I'm putting 24. So it is overlapping, so we can change its coordinates. Instead of -54, I'm saying 79, 77. So it has taken this position. Now here for the first ballerina, we have chosen repeat loop, and here we have put 4. That means that this ballerina is going to repeat all the actions 4 times. But here for this ballerina, I'm putting forever loop, which is in control. So here in control, we can find our forever loop. That means it is going to do all the action forever until we press this stop button. And here instead of switching to all the costumes one by one. Here we are putting next costume. So whenever we click this, we can see that there is no wait. So it is doing all the actions very fast. So here we have to put a wait of 1 second. So for that, we'll go to control, and here in control, here in the starting, we have put the wait of 1 second. So now we can see that this ballerina is continuously dancing. It will stop only when we'll press this stop button. So now it has stopped. Now we are again clicking this button. That means that it is going to make these two ballerinas dance again. And this one is going to dance for 4 times, and it is going to dance forever. So here we can see that both are dancing. It will do all the steps 4 times, and it will be doing it forever. So it has finished, and it is continuously moving. So it will stop only when we'll press the stop button. So here I'm pressing the stop button, and here it has stopped.